Do you like true or false questions? Let's see if you know the right answer. True or false? Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. You have 8 seconds. Now I don't want to be struck by lightning to find out. And in my neck of the woods, the sun can be quite a scorcher. I wonder which is it, true or false? Time's up. The answer is true. Lightning can be up to 30,000 Kelvin versus 5,500 Kelvin on the sun's surface. Wow. Subscribe for more crazy fun facts.